as they step forward with the pride and joy for their marching past. Look at them, so small, yet marching with such confidence and grace. Leading the team is their little leader, holding the flag high, showing us what courage looks like in tiny steps. Here they come. One step, two step, left, right, left, left, right, left. Look at those bright smiles, shining like the morning sun. Their tiny feet may be small, but their spirit is big and cheerful. See how neatly they walk. Three perfect lines, following their leader with soft care. They look little, but they march like real champions, showing unity, discipline, and teamwork. As we step in, they tell us we are